In this presentation, you will learn about Marx's conception of human nature and human potential. With his initial and critical readings of the philosophy, Marx became deeply engaged with the concept of human nature. For Marx, humanity is objectified by its own subjectivity in a dialectical manner in the universe, which is an ultimate process by itself. Therefore, Marx argued that human nature predominantly existed in dialectical and determined by the forces of the existing economic systems. The prevalent economy governs the ways in which humans act and think. As the economy changes, human nature also undergoes a drastic change. There lies the dialectics of human nature, a product of society and economy instead of biology. In 1847, Marx published a book titled The Poverty of Philosophy, within which he argues with the philosophical and economic notions of French anarchist Pierre-Joseph Proudhon through latter's book on The Philosophy of Poverty. While analyzing this work, Churchich highlights that it is here Marx states all history is nothing but a continuous transformation of human nature. There is constant change in our societies, resulting in changing human nature, and this remains the essence of our history. Marx was indeed greatly influenced by the German materialist Ludwig Feuerbach to the extent that Marx rejected Feuerbach's socio-biological understanding of essential human nature. In his thesis on Feuerbach, Marx argues why Feuerbach's idea of human nature being shaped by material or objects only should be rejected, and that rather the social and economic relations, which are constantly changing, should be considered important. The whole society, with its economy and production systems, tend to shape and reshape human nature. In fact, production remained very crucial in Marx's understanding of human nature. For Marx, humans are essentially driven by their socially productive tendencies, and that humans constantly strive to produce things that can give them satisfaction for having produced something. Therefore, it is human potential and human nature's need to produce something constantly, and that it also results in the production of newer needs. So it remains a continuous process whereby a need to produce a product eventually can also result in the production of newer needs, further resulting in a satisfying experience. The whole idea of alienation that Marx talks about also derives from this understanding. Therefore, instead of materialistic basis of human nature, Marx argues for a social and economic foundation that is driven by the human potential as well as the human need to produce. The creative and intelligent capacity of the humans is something that differentiates them from the animals. Thus, the modern economy guides the human potential and human nature to produce certain products and newer needs. It is human nature to realize its innate potential by actively involving in the creation and production of things that can result in satisfaction. Thank you for watching the presentation.